Listen to some rock and roll.
Yeah,
I that one. And now push the triangle. Whoa. Ready? Woohoo! Jack! Woohoo! How do you do the woohoo part? Oh, woohoo!
You want to watch this one?
I want to rock and roll is what I want to do. Wait, what do you do?
Oh, you do like this. You like this, Mommy?
Like this? Ready? Woohoo! Woohoo! I like that move. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Whoa.
What do you do now?
Let's see it, man. Show me those moves.
Rock out, man. Woohoo! Woohoo!
I don't want to
Woohoo!
one thing. I'm going to make them go so I don't sweat.
Well, the sun's gonna be over. Hurry up.
I will. Do like this.
Woohoo!
Do like this.
What?
Like this. Watch out! Let's watch out, Daddy.
Watch out. Oh, you want to rock out?
Yeah.
You can watch that too.
Thanks, buddy.
Come on.
All right.
This down. This?
Here. Yep, that one. Now push that one. This one.
I'm going to do that one.
That's the song right there. What other song do you guys do?
This song?
No, I don't know what that song is.
Try it out.
No.
Oh, did you want to do it? Here, go ahead.
Like that? You can do. Want them to?
Sure do.
Okay, come on.
All right.